Hi guys, welcome to iMobie channel. Do you have some SD cards with valuable data, but unfortunately these SD cards are corrupted? At this time you want to repair it or recover data but don't know how to do it? Now you are watching the right video. In this video, we will show you how to recover data from corrupted SD card. Firstly, we recommend switching the card reader you are using to another one. Sometimes the SD card itself might not be corrupt. Instead, the reader needs to be fixed. And when such happens, the SD card won't work. So before concluding the card is faulty, try using another card reader. If your SD card still didn't work even after changing a reader, now, please use a good reader to connect to your computer and follow the instructions to get started with recovering your SD card. Download and install DroidKit on your computer. Launch DroidKit and choose Data Recovery from SD card mode. There are two modes for SD card recovery. Standard Recovery allows you to scan only deleted files or scan all files on the SD card. Advanced Recovery. This mode can help you find more complete files. Just choose one mode that meets your needs and tap on the next button. Once the scan is complete, selectively choose the files you want to recover and click to PC to start the SD card recovery. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.